me as succinctly as you can, right? What you learned after the car wreck.
Well, I learned that people every day face unexpected legal situations, and I learned that people are not prepared either financially or emotionally for those unexpected legal problems. The words on the front of the Supreme Court building, equal justice under law. I tell people there's just one problem with that, and the problem with it is it's just not true. In North America today, you're going to get just as much justice as you can pay for. That's how much justice you're going to get. I tell people that the better that you get to know us, the better you're going to like us. So for that reason, I encourage you to do the research, find out about the concept on which this company is built, justice for all. Surely everyone has to agree that justice for all is important. Equal justice for all. It's the rule of law. It's what this country has been developed on. We have a very sound product. We have a product that's real, that delivers a real service. The dream of starting their own business, it means independence, it means freedom. It's more than just about a job, it's more than just about an opportunity. In fact, I feel like it's a calling.